How to move photos to album on Facebook in 2025. So if you want to move your photos to album on Facebook in 2025, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser and then go with your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your Facebook. Once you're logged into your Facebook, now you need to go with your profile, which is on the top right. Click on your profile. Under your profile, you need to go with photos. And under photos, you will have your photos and albums, right? So you just need simply go and select a photo that you would like to add to your album. So I'll just simply go and select one photo. Once you've selected, I need to go with the top right, which has that three dots icon. And here you will have an option of move to another album. So you need to click on it and then select the album or create an album in which you would like to add your photos. So just go with create album and then go with move photo, and the photo will be moved to another album. And that's it. You can also upload some photos or videos to this album, or you can delete the album if you want to. Go with the edit section or the privacy section, and then go with public and done and save, and that's it. It has been added to the album. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.